scenes from
Animal Kingdom.
well, the Animal Kingdom parking lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the big ride we're riding today?
Flight of Passage.
Who's excited?
Me.
I'm mildly excited.
Mom's mildly excited. She's more excited for pizza, Planet.
I'm more excited for pizza.
Safari.
That's what I've been waiting for.
Thanks for
is the
insinuating
pizza.
I'm more excited about food. I'm excited about the Up bird
Oh, the
show.
Up Bird Show. That's what we're excited about.
I am excited for Flight of Passage, though. I was just being silly.
Me and my pipe are going to Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
Check out her cool Up bow that her sister. This isn't the one your sister got you.
No,
This is the one you bought.
yeah, I bought this one.
Do you love it?
Yeah,
You're
I
gonna,
do wear it when I get home.
you can wear it every day. Yeah. Hey, little girls. I always watching. Hey, Abby. Piper, wave at me.
I didn't have to go through the metal.
See the dragon over there? At Chloe? Abby?
What?
That's the dragon right there on the ticket booth.
I don't see it. Oh, wow. That was cool.
Yeah, there's a dragon right there. That's for the old Beastly Kingdom dragon
But they never made that one.
that they never made. That's right.
I'm kind of sad about it. They can't make it. That would have been cool, don't you think?
Would have been cool.
Maybe one day they will.
One day.
Not here.
Now, get your magic finger ready.
Hopefully I use the right one.
Animal Kingdom's been here 20 years already. Can you believe that?
Wow, I'm learning.
I remember when they built it.
I remember.
You guys having fun shopping?
Yeah, look at this instrument. Look. Wait, shh, shh, shh. Listen to the pretty noises it makes.
Too close. Pretty cool. Do it. Just making music.
Like they're strapped together.
Yeah, can't play with those.
Yeah. Like they got strong.
Now, we look over to our left-hand side, we'll see a basque of Nile crocodiles. Nile crocodiles are the largest of all crocodilian. The average size of a crocodile is 16 feet long. They weigh about 500 pounds. They're those super strong jaws that can. Beasts will be in one new at a time, but when they are born, it will only take them about 15 minutes to start standing. Nice and close. Where to go? Look here. Now the elephants out in Kenya have been getting a little hungry with the crabs. So sadly, they have been eating those crabs. So what the Kenyan farmers and the conservation groups have found out is that elephants are actually afraid of bees. So as it does seem a little odd since they're so big and bees are so small, yeah, they actually are afraid of bees. So what the conservation groups have been doing is they have been planting beehives around the edges of the crops. So the crops are growing, the elephants are staying away, they're staying safe, and they actually benefit from the honey. They sell the honey. Number one threat is us humans. They have been poached for those beautiful, beautiful horns, just like black rhinos have. They do get their name from the Afrikaans word of vite, which is V-I-T-E, which is a little lost in translation. So when the Dutch settlers came over, they thought They were saying white, but they're actually saying the word white. They have black hooves. But no zebra will have the exact same pattern of stripes. Their stripes are very similar to a human fingerprint. No zebra will, human will have the same fingerprint. No zebra will have the same set of stripes. Now please keep your hands inside the vehicle, friends. Yep, don't try and reach out to the animals, please. Thank you. Now we look over to our right hand side. Yep, we'll see a flock of ostrich and a grouping of ostrich eggs. Ostriches are one of the largest birds in Africa. Though they cannot fly, they can run about 40 miles per hour. Can make those turns a little bit quicker with those wings of theirs. They do have those very long legs.
Abby.
Hi.
Chloe. Girls, are you ready for Cali River Rapids? Yeah. It's gonna be fun? Hey, Chloe, whose favorite ride is this?
This is definitely one of my favorite rides, though.
It's one of my favorite rides too. I think it's one of Mom's favorite rides. There they go.
Oh, that is for some fun.
They are in for some fun. Are you excited?
Yeah, let's go.
Abby! Piper.
I'm excited.
Here we go.
Whoa!
Best ride ever. Thanks, Piper. Did I get soaked?
Yeah. I got soaked.
Did you get soaked?
I think we equally spread it around the boat. What do you think?
I think I got it worse.
No one got, oh yeah, you did get pretty wet.
I barely got touched.
Abby.
She likes your ear.
Is that a unicorn ear? Love that. Wonderful. You've got such sparkly ears. I love it. Love it. Aw, is hers up? Aw. With the grape soda, I love it. That's so
When
cute.
you're down here, you can come watch that show with us. Oh yeah, the F
Yes.
show. We want to watch it. We haven't seen the new one yet. We're so excited. It's gonna be great.
Do you need the pen? Oh, you got it? All right, wonderful. You're such a sweetheart, Mickey. Oh, you kissed those ears right off of her, Mickey. Batman of yours. Ooh, that's so pretty, all the flowers. I love it.
He likes your ears too.
We're big fans of unicorns. Yes, absolutely.
Got Winnie the Pooh there.
Wonderful. Aw, what a cutie pie.